Hi, my name is Katherine, and I'd like to welcome you to our brand new vlog series, First Fridays. First Fridays, as the name suggests, will be a weekly vlog series from First Team 3132 that will be released every Friday, tailor-made for students to give others the latest on where we are in the season. Each week, we'll be theming the episode based on a specific area of the team, bringing in an expert guest student to find out how their part of the team has progressed that week. This week, get ready to hear from Katherine, an electrical student on the team, for some interesting updates on pneumatics, shooters, electrical, designs, and more. Before we hear from Katherine, I'll give you a quick update from the strategy side of the team. This week, we saw some exciting additions to the equipment arsenal of the media team, as mentor Fred built us a few new toys to play with. As well as a teleprompter, we built a jib and a Steadicam, which have allowed us to take more smooth shots while moving in all directions. Click on the links in the description below, or at the end of the video for some promo shots of our new equipment. So now it's time to hear from our student guest for this week, Katherine, for an update on the robot this week.
Hi, my name is Katherine. I'm the safety captain on First Team 3132, and I also do electronics. I'll be giving you a progress update on our robot for this week. So, on this year's robot, we've decided to use pneumatics. This is the first season Thunder Down Under has used pneumatics for our competition robot. We decided on pneumatics as a result of our prototyping. We built two different prototype shooters, one using a pneumatic cylinder, the other was surgical tubing. After collecting data on each design, we decided that pneumatics, as well as giving us superior results, would be easier to implement. In order to get the flow rate we needed to shoot accurately, the cylinder for the shooter is venting directly to atmosphere, instead of going through a solenoid valve. In addition to this, we also placed one of the accumulators near the valve on the working pressure side of the circuit to provide air directly to the valve. Pneumatics are a really new experience for all of us, and we're learning lots as we go. One of my favourite parts about using pneumatics is that we've decided on a system of colour coding our pneumatic tubing, allowing us to differentiate between the different pressures. Perhaps the most challenging part is mounting all the oddly shaped pneumatics bits. On the electrical side of things, we built a test space for the software subteam to start developing software on while we build the actual robot. Due to some recent design changes in the catapult, the elect layout has much more room than it did, so everything fits now. At the moment, we're aiming to have the robot in its nearly finished state by Monday to hand over the software. This is really early for us. Normally, software gets about 2 days. While all of this has been happening, we've been negotiating and compromising with the software subteam to make sure they get what they need on the robot. Mech has been continuing with the construction of the robot. They've been busy welding, which is something else that's really new for the team. The design itself is still evolving, but CAD is as complete as possible. We're looking at making some iterative design changes before we ship, such as a light catapult.
Thanks very much for watching our inaugural episode of First Fridays, and we hope you enjoyed watching us this week. Let us know in the comments if you have any suggestions on this week's episode, and we hope to see you in a week's time to hear a little bit about the software for the robot. See you soon!